Micro and nanoplastics can carry an electrostatic charge. It turns out that some microorganisms can use these charged micro and nanoplastic particles as a convenient platform for growth, much like plants rooting on rocks. Bacteria and fungi are particularly successful colonizers of such surfaces, and the electric fields around nanoplastics can influence biological processes, encouraging the rapid proliferation of fungi. This means nanoplastics support the survival of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, acting as a kind of charging station for these microorganisms. In studies conducted on water fleas, Daphnia, in 2023 at the Université Catholique de Louvain in Belgium, researchers found that nanoplastics caused oxidative stress and genotoxicity in their bodies. This facilitated fungal infections in the system. Specifically, the infection rates of the fungal parasite Mechnicovia were 11 times higher in the presence of nanoplastics. New data indicate that the incidence and geographic range of fungal diseases are expanding. Emerging from the shadows of the bacterial antimicrobial resistance pandemic, fungal infections are growing and are ever more resistant to treatments, becoming a public health concern worldwide, said Dr. Hanan Balki, Assistant Director General for Antimicrobial Resistance at the WHO. Some studies suggest that certain fungi can release metabolites or substances that may accelerate tumor growth or contribute to inflammatory processes linked to cancer development. The DNA of specific fungal species is fairly common in certain types of tumors. The body's ecosystem is an incredibly complex network of interactions, where the balance of different microorganisms plays a crucial role. When charged plastic particles interfere with this system, they can promote the excessive growth of certain organisms like fungi while suppressing others. It's similar to a situation where weeds suddenly overtake a garden, crowding out beneficial plants. Additionally, the impact of plastic particles on cell membranes and the buildup of toxins can weaken the body's immune system, making it more susceptible to pathogenic fungi and bacteria. And so, statically charged particles are not just inert pieces of pollution. They actively interact with cells, triggering mutations, creating favorable conditions for fungal growth, and potentially disrupting the microbiological balance of ecosystems. Their influence sets off a chain reaction of changes, the full consequences of which have yet to be fully explored.